It's to much older Christians. He calls them fathers. And he writes to these because their experience has both length and depth. Some people just have length of experience and not depth. But he says fathers, real mature Christians have both length and depth of experience with God. So he's writing to three groups all at once. That's quite a big target to hit. We do notice that he puts them all into male form. And in fact, you may have noticed the whole New Testament is addressed to brothers, not brothers and sisters. Well, that's an important thing to notice for a number of reasons. It does cover brothers and sisters, but why is there this male emphasis? Because there are now non-sexist versions of the Bible that put it as brothers and sisters all the way through. Same Bible says God is Father, Mother, and there's a whole lot of confusion coming in there. But I believe one main reason is this: the strength and character of the church can be seen in its men, and that men have the responsibility of leadership in the church as well as in the home, and that their character is the all-important thing. Where a church's men are strong, the whole church will be. Where the men are weak, that church will be weak. And that's one reason why the last 5 years I've spent so much time in what we call our Men for God conferences. And the most letters of thanks I've had are from the ladies for what's happened to their men. Where the men are strong in the home and the church, the women and children will be strong too. But where the men are weak, that church will be weak. It's an important point. And brothers are very important. And I'd be a wealthy man if I had a £10 note for every family in church where the wife is ahead of the husband spiritually. But it's healthy where the husband is ahead of the wife. And a husband can't be ahead unless he's ahead, if you know what I mean. So that's the male emphasis. It's not putting women down or children down. It's saying if the men are strong in the faith, the women and children will be as well. And that's a profound principle. Well, now that